All right, guys, we're going to break in about 3 minutes. Be getting started here in just a couple of minutes. 26 hangers and our Phoenix hobby box. All right, guys, about 1 more minute, and then we'll be ready to roll. We're going to start with the hobby box first. See what we can pull. Looks like we've been hot with the hangers. We've been hot with the hobby boxes. So let's hope we can keep this going. This chair will. All right, 1 more minute, then we're going to get rolling. Hobby box, 12 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. All Phoenix cards, even base, will be sleeved. Obviously, the big hits top loaded with the hangers, the color, the prism. The big rookies, obviously, all are sleeved. All the big hits are top loaded. We should be good to go. Get started here in just a second. Good luck, everybody. Definitely appreciate everybody jumping in on Facebook and from eBay. This will also be put up on our YouTube channel as well. It's about, give or take an hour long break, give or take, and it does take a little bit to load up onto YouTube just with the upload. But yeah, I mean, our other ones are up there, so you can absolutely check it out. All right, good luck, everybody. We're starting just a minute after 8, so let's do it. Good luck. See what we got. Here we go. Pack number 1. Let's go. Okay, Drew Brees, Brady, Terrace Marshall. Oh, Josh Allen numbered. Oh, no, is that numbered? Hold on, let me double check. Saw the Bills, didn't see the number. Yeah, numbered out of 150. There we go. Nice hit with the Bills. And Heat Wave, Christian McCaffrey. There we go. Nice start. Nice start. Nice start with the Josh Allen. Nice hit for the Bills. Yeah, I thought it was numbered. Yep, 125 out of 150. Nice hit to begin. All right, let's keep rocking. We had a feeling the Bills were going to start off good. All right, Aaron Rodgers, Tannehill, Kylan Hill. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Trey Lance, rookie auto, dual patch. Right there. And flamethrower Lamar Jackson. Okay. Looks like we got Trey Lance 6 out of 35. Right there. All right, let me make sure I got the right sleeve for that. Check on my desk. There should be the bigger sleeves with the bigger ones. Boom. That is some fire. And then, obviously, flamethrower Lamar Jackson. There you go. All right, good start. Good start. Okay. Adam Thielen, Julio Jones, Sam Ellinger rookie. Oh, here we go. Redskins, Jamin Davis. 137 out of 250. Nice little hit for the Skins. And Zach Wilson, rookie rising. Got the Jets and the BYU. Nice hit. Nice hit. Very good. All right, let's keep rolling. Already the box is not yet disappointed. Okay, Keenan Allen, Myles Garrett, Tyson Campbell. Oh, here we go. What do we have here? A little Trevor Lawrence, rookie rising. And I think we got this one numbered out of 199. There we go, 13 out of 199. Damn, nice hit right there for the Lawrence. And Derrick Henry. All right. So far, so good. So far, so good. Love how it's got the pro and the college on it. Right there. Nice little Lance. And here we go with the Allen. Again, that one's out of 150. Cannot complain so far about this box. We haven't even hit the hot hangers yet. Let's keep going. Jacoby Myers, Brett Favre, old school. Rondale Moore, Cardinals, nice hit. Oh, Lions, Jared Goff. We were just talking about him earlier. 79 out of 99. And looks like a Travis Kelce hot routes. Nice little insert there. Nice hit there with the Goff for the Lions. Lions are a cheap team, but they definitely have some sleepers in there. All right, let's keep rocking. Gronk, Michael Thomas, Ojende. Oh, Cardinals. Here we go. Hopkins, numbered 170 out of 250. Nice little hit on the Hopkins, and then Cooper Kupp. That's my wife's favorite player right there. Nice little hot routes. Okay, putting some fire up here. Got the Wilson with the rookie rising and the Lawrence. We're still not even halfway through. Like I said, definitely appreciate you guys jumping in. Have a good evening Sunday night. Luke Kuechly, Devontae Adams, Amon-Ra St. Brown. That's a beast receiver right there. Oh, 49ers. Fireforge Jerry Rice. Out of 149. There we go. Nice hit for the Niners. And Texans, Nico Collins. Nice rookie right there with Nico. See what else we got. Okay. Derrick Henry. Mahomes base. Gary Brightwell. Oh, let's see what we got here. Oops. San Diego Chargers. Los Angeles Chargers. Austin Eckler. Boom. Beast of a running back. 16 of 75. Great hit. Great hit. And then Manning, flamethrower with the Broncos. All right. Nice hit there for the Chargers with Eckler. Dude's a beast. We cannot complain about this Phoenix box. I love the Fireburst cards last season. These are not disappointing. Calvin Ridley, Eckler, Micah Parsons, Cowboys fans. Little auto, Quincy Roche for the Steelers. 49 of 99. There you go, Steelers. Right there. Another big auto off the board. Nice hit. And then Fire-forged Emmitt Smith. All right. So we got our big rookie quarterback, the dual patch. Excuse me. A little Steelers defensive love. All right, let's keep rolling. Okay. Brady with the Bucks. McCaffrey. Chaz Surratt. Uh-oh. Redskins. Terry McLaurin. Nice little patch right there. Numbered 47 of 50. There we go. Nice hit right there with the McLaurin. And Tannehill flamethrower. Not bad at all. Yeah, right? There you go. All right, we'll put this up here too. See what else we can add. Oops, almost. What I got in the works is a little stand that should work a little better than these. We'll see how those come up. Hopefully in the next week or so. We shall see. All right. Let's keep going. Okay. Prescott. DK Metcalf. Kyle Pitts. Nice little rookie there. Cardinals. Kyler Murray. 98 out of 125. There we go. Nice hit for the Cards. And Gronk. Hot Roots. Last pack. Let's see what we got. Okay. Carson Wentz. Mike Evans. Levi. Let's see. We got a pink in there, so I'm going to pull this one from the back. Let's see what we got. Brandon Graham. And what are we looking at here? Oh, okay. A little pink. Juju. Number to 175. Nice hit for the Steelers. Right there. Number to 175. Nice hit for the Steelers. Folks, you cannot be upset with this box. This box did not disappoint. All right. On to the hangers. Let's do it. Those of you who've broken with us before, you guys know we pull straight fire out of these hangers. No intention of disappointing tonight. All right, let's see it. Good luck with the hangers. All right. Barry Sanders, Tremaine Edmonds, Johnson, Daniil Hunter, Devin White, Daniel Jones, Josh Jacobs, Vikings, Green, Dalvin Cook, Drew Brees Bang, Jonathan Taylor, Will to Win Silver, on to the orange, Jamie Collins, Luke Kuechly, Amari Cooper, Cowboys, Nashawn Wright, James Robinson, Travis Etienne debut, Gibson, oops, a little sticky there, Ian Book, Kwity Paye, Kyle Trask, Buccaneers. All right, let's keep rolling. Said the link to the YouTube is also up on eBay, but I'll put it up on our group page. If you're new to the group, jump in. Keep the comments PG-13 or better. DJ Moore, Carson Wentz, Chad Johnson. Oh, we got a first Justin Herbert. There we go. Danielle Hunter, Devin White, Daniel Jones. Okay, Mac Jones, green. Not a bad hit. There we go. Dak Prescott, Devin White, Kurt Warner, orange, Peyton Manning, Mark Andrews, Daz Newsome, Walter Payton, Lamar Jackson, Wilson NFL debut, Jalen Waddle has made an appearance, Trey Sermon, Jake Funk. There we go. Not a bad box right there with the Mac Jones. We won't break just football in here, but obviously, football's where it's at today. Prism will be coming out. Optic will be coming out. Select. We're breaking all those. If there's demand and people want us to break some Bowman cases, we'll break some Bowman cases too. We don't care. Okay. Lamar Jackson, Walter Payton, James Robinson, Calais Campbell, Mahomes AFC. Okay, Jamar Chase with the variation. Nice hit right there. There you go, Roger. You asked. Now this one looks like it's got a little print line over it. I'm gonna see if I can later. I'll see if I can look at it a little bit more detail. But still a great card. Warner, Akers, McCaffrey, Tyler Lockett, Stephon Gilmore, Fitzpatrick, Jalen Phillips, Herbert Bass, Curse, Galladay, Kittle, Tylan Wallace, Mo Rig, and Cornell Pell. There you go. Nice hit right there. We'll put the Jones up and we'll see if we take him down later. He might have a home up there for a while. We'll see. All right, let's keep rocking. We were talking earlier this afternoon. We hadn't hit a honeycomb in a while, so with this hanger break, it's got to be a honeycomb in there for us. Okay, Matt Ryan, Miller, Jody Lemire, Drew Brees, Baker, NFL debut, Devonta Smith, Goff, Green, Devin White, Dalvin Cook. There we go. Bills are hitting. Josh Allen, silver bang. On to the orange. Fouts, Chase Claypool, Antonio Winfield, Jacob Harris, Lattimore, Bolitnikoff, Miles Sanders, Kadarius Toney, wanted to be traded, Jabril Cox, and Racey McCaff. We'll see if Toney gets traded or not. There you go. Nice hit with the variation. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's keep going. Tyler Boyd, Kurt Warner, Peyton Manning, Bettis, Devonta Parker, Tyler Lockett. Oh, here we go. Silver Chris Evans. Nice hit for the Bengals. Little Bengals rookie running back. There you go. Len Dawson, Bang, Jefferson. On to the orange. Watt, Derrick Henry, Gainwell, Joe Tryon, Caleb Farley, Adams, Von Miller, Hunter Long, Simi Fehoko, Trey Nixon, and Azeez Ojulari. All right. Nice hit there for the Bengals. Not a variation, but still a good silver. Let's see where we're at. Let's see where we're at. Okay, Minshew, wrong Jags quarterback. Hunt, Matt Ryan, Harrison, Tannehill, Cup. Oh, Chiefs. Patrick Mahomes, Super Bowl MVPs. Nice prism there. Nice little silver. Kamara, Tomlinson. Into the orange, Carson Wentz, Chad Johnson, Edward Solaire, Kellenmond. There we go. Justin Fields debut, Russell Wilson, Joe Montana, Brightwell, Milne, Barmore, Elijah Moore. There you go. Nice hit there with the Mahomes. There we go. There we go. Box is starting to heat up a little bit. Good vets, good rookies. Good times. Very interesting to see what the 49ers do with Garoppolo. Very interesting. Very curious. He's not going to Seattle, so, I mean, what is his other landing place? Carolina? They got Sam Darnold on a lot of money. Freeney, Joe Mixon, Kyler Murray, Roquan Smith, Kelsey, CeeDee Lamb, J.K. Dobbins. Wait a minute. Let's hope that's just turned around. Okay, just a green Okuda. Nothing crazy, just a green Okuda. DK Metcalf, bang. McLaurin, silver, will to win. Here we go, 49ers. We're just talking about the 49ers. Trey Lance debut orange. Stafford, Warner, Michael Carter, Rodgers, Calais Campbell, Mahomes, Owe, Tony again, and Jabril Cox. All right. Nice hit there with the orange Trey Lance debut. We'll keep pulling. Okay. Keep rocking and rolling. Young Huku, Barry Sanders, Edmonds, Andre Johnson, Cousins, Jamal Adams, Drew Brees. Oh, I got a little nervous. It's a Mark Brunell Genesis. I see the Jags. You're like, okay, here we go. Oh, Mark Brunell. Consolation prize. Derek Carr. Kamara. Mahomes, AFC on the orange. Justin Fields debut on the orange. Russell Wilson. Elijah Moore, Baker, Devonta Smith, Jared Goff, Owusu Koromora, De'Ami Brown, and Khalil Herbert. Oh, got a little nervous there. Saw the Jaguars. But it was Brunell. But we hit our first Genesis. I'd say we hit our first Jags Genesis, but I think Brunell had a good career. One game away from the Super Bowl. I heard he lost all of his money like real estate. He's coaching somewhere. The dude made tens of millions of dollars, so he must have been swindled pretty bad. Okay. Nick Chubb, Hopkins, Jake Plummer, Derek Brooks, Josh Jacobs. Whoa, okay, there's a Jaguar that people like. Trevor Lawrence with the variation. And there we go. Let's keep firing. Joe Montana. Herbert. Randy Moss. Mark Brunell, there he is, sneaking up again. Jarvis Landry. Buda Baker. Peyton Turner. On the orange. Metcalf. Harris. Henry. Williams, Rondale Moore, Kylan Hill, Anthony Schwartz. Nice hit right there with the Lawrence Silver variation. Living right tonight. There we go. We've told you guys in other groups. There's the Brunell. We don't disappoint. Obviously, the Fields and the Mahomes. All right. Don't sleep on Justin Lawrence. He's got a real coach who's not concerned with playing grab ass in a bar in Columbus, Ohio. And a Super Bowl winning coach who won a Super Bowl with Nick Foles. You can win a Super Bowl with Nick Foles. You can coach up a guy like Trevor Lawrence. They spent a shit ton of money this offseason. I'm not a Jaguars fan. I don't care if they go 0-17 or 17-0. But they could be a 7-win team this season. Why not? Jerry Jeudy, Josh Allen, Tanyan, Aaron Rodgers, McCaffrey, Michael Pittman. There we go. Nice little Ravens. Oh, wait. Not a variation, but still a good silver. Aaron Jones, Mahomes, onto the orange, Thomas Davis, Derek Carr, Kyle Pitts. That's nice for the Falcons. NFL debut. Nice hit on that. Josh Palmer, Kyler Murray, Montana, Derek Brooks, Chaz Surratt, Tylan Wallace, Mo Rigg, and Cornell Powell. All right. Not bad. There you go. There you go, Tom. Right up there. Trevor Lawrence. All right. Let's keep him right there. We've got a lot of hits to recap tonight, and we still got plenty of boxes to go. We'll leave the middle one for the end. I don't know about where you guys are at in the rest of the country. Allergies down here are nuts. What time of year? Okay, let's keep rocking. Carson Wentz, Chad Johnson, Aaron Rodgers, Calais Campbell, Mahomes, Jamin Davis, Skins, Variation. Skins are hitting tonight. Hunter Henry, Green, Ridley, Joe Burrow, Will to Win. Nice card there with the green. Stafford, Jimmy G, Randy Moss with the orange. There we go. Kevin, there you go. Javonte Williams, orange. Jerry Rice, Jefferson, Mike Evans, Lattimore, Bateman, Chaz Surratt, and Tylan Wallace. Some nice hits there. Not bad at all. And Owe. Keep adding to the fun. Like I said, we'll leave the middle stack. We're flying through. Okay, let's keep it rolling. Buda Baker, Sutton, Brady with the Pats, MVPs, Drew Brees, Baker Mayfield. Oh, okay. Wow, wasn't expecting that. Mac Jones variation. Wow, there we go. Tannehill with the green. I wouldn't have pulled that as fast. Amari Cooper, that's what she said. Tim Brown, Brady, orange with the Pats. Drew Brees, Baker, Elijah Moore, Fitzmagic, Sam Darnold, Keenan Allen, Deontay Johnson, Josh Palmer, and Trey McKitty. Patrick Surtain. Nice hit there. All right. Nice to see Mac Jones making an appearance again. Williams, nice hit on the Burrow, the green, and then the Jamin Davis. Nice variation there. You'll take it for sale. What's up, Jose? Yeah. Jose, I know you jumped in here late. Take a look. Nice little Trey Lance dual patch right there. Jose, you know we pull fire. Oops, I just want to keep it there without falling. Here we go. Yeah, those dual patch autos, man, sick. Just sick. And I mean, everything I keep hearing and reading, they're going with Trey Lance. They're going with Trey Lance. They're going to find a way to get rid of Jimmy G. All right, Judy, Allen, Tanyan, Betts, Parker, Lockett, Gilmore, Tyler Lockett on the green for the Seahawks. Nice hit. Russell Wilson will to win. Metcalf, another Seahawks. Nice hit. Got game. Devin White, orange. Daniel Jones, Josh Jacobs, Zaven Collins, Chris Long, James Robinson, Etienne debut, Ramondre Stevenson, Demetric Felton, and Peyton Turner. Not every box can have a variation Matt Jones. Nice hit with the Brady, and then there it is. Nice card. Nice card. My buddy Jeffrey, I don't know if he's watching. He's a big Jets fan. He's been in a lot of our breaks. We have not pulled him we pulled him some good Zach Wilsons, but nothing like crazy. So I promise we pull him as Zach Wilson. I will be sending him a picture. He's rooting for us. Yeah, I mean, Garoppolo's the best. There's no doubt. Jose, you getting in our fantasy football league in August? I hope so. Nick Chubb, Hopkins, Plummer, Manning, Herbert base, Hunter, Devin White. Oh, here we go. Chargers. Asante Samuel Jr. Genesis. Nice hit for the Chargers. There you go. Nice Genesis. Nice hit for the Chargers. Derek Carr, Mahomes, orange Fred Warner, Cam Newton, Jamison Crowder, Greg Newsome, Ray Lewis, Peyton, Jackson, Justin Fields base, Micah Parsons base, and a 2-2. Nice hit there with the Samuel Genesis for the Chargers. Nice hit there. Good young cornerback. All right, let's keep rocking and rolling. So what are we? We're 2 Genesis in, right? I think we're 2 Genesis in. We got 1 or 2 more in us. Yeah, we might do like a live draft, and then we might do like a Titan card breaks draft too. So like if you're interested in that, we'll do a live draft, and then we'll do one online as well. I mean, you can't be in too many fantasy football leagues as long as you're not rooting for the quarterback against a different defense. Hunt, Ryan, Baker, Smith debut, Jared Goff, Jamar Chase, living right with the variation. Boom, nice hit for the Bengals. There you go, Roger. Chris Long, A.J. Brown, Terrell Davis, Sean Alexander, Hunter Henry, A.J. Brown, Funk, Chenault, Max Crosby, Bettis, Devontae Parker, Ben Skowronek, Dio, and Javonte Williams. All right, nice hit there with the chase. Little base, and then here's our Genesis. There we go. All right. See what the next pack holds. There we go. Bless you. Zach Cunningham, Hicks, Larry Johnson, Lawrence, Strahan, Henry Ruggs, Big Ben. Okay. Fitzmagic. Another Genesis, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Look at that. Played, 6 minutes for the Skins. He got himself a Genesis. Baker, Jerry Rice. Hey, listen, Redskins hit tonight. Culpepper, Brady with the Bucks. That's a nice orange. Reggie Bush, Des Fitzpatrick, Aaron Rodgers, Peyton Manning, Thomas Davis, Zaven Collins, Kellen Mond, and Larry Rountree. All right. So there we go. A little Fitzmagic Genesis. There you go, Roger. Nice hit there. Jamar Chase. A little silver. Let's keep pulling. We've just pulled some random ass Genesis cards the last few months or so. Just however long it's been out. Just some random ones. I mean, I know they make Genesis of a lot of, different people, obviously. Not everything's a Trevor Lawrence or Mac Jones or Justin Fields, but I mean, it's just some random guys that we've been pulling some Genesis of. All right, Mahomes, Otis Anderson, Drew Brees, Chenault, Max Crosby. There you go. Cowboys, Micah Parsons with the variation. Nice hit for Dallas. Dallas has been hitting hard the last couple of breaks. I know Justin got in there. Devonta Parker. Adams. Tyreek Hill. Blake Martinez. There we go. Herbert Orange. Daniil Hunter. Eagles. Devonta Smith. Crowder. Caleb Farley. Adams. Von Miller. Owusu Kormora. De'Ami Brown. And Khalil Herbert. There we go. Little Brady Orange and the piece de resistance. Fitzpatrick. I mean, you got to give the dude mad respect. He was in Buffalo watching the Bills playoff games as a fan with Bills Mafia after he had taken $12 million from the Redskins for 1 quarter worth of work. But they gave my boy Heineke a chance to show what he could do. It was not his fault the Skins were 7-10. That kid did everything he could. He's all heart. If Carson Wentz had as much heart as Taylor Heineke, he'd be a top 3 quarterback in the NFL. But as my buddy told me, don't worry, you'll see Heineke back. Carson Wentz ain't holding up for 17 games. All right. Edward Solaire, Emmitt Smith, Dilfer, Aaron Rodgers, Josh Jacobs, Fletcher Cox, Marino, Green, Drew Brees Man of the Year, Mari Cooper, Fouts, Hall of Fame Green, Into the Orange, Devontae Adams, Derek Brown, Jonathan Taylor, Oweh with the Ravens, Kyler Murray, Joe Montana, Brooks, Harris, Seth Williams, and Greg Rousseau. Not the most exciting box. Okay, Parsons. Cowboys eating well. Devonta Smith. Eagles not disappointing. And nice little Justin Herbert. Okay. We'll move Fitzmagic back so he doesn't take Trevor Lawrence's shine away. And we'll go from the middle. Boom. Here we go. Let's keep rocking. Ray Lewis, Jamie Collins, Kuechly, Fred Warner, Newton, Bucks, Jalen Darden with the silver variation. Little Bucks love. Green, Derek Carr, Dalvin Cook. Derek Carr is not worth $40 million a year or whatever they're paying him. I mean, I'll give him credit, but Kamara, Into the Orange, Dobbins, Okudah, DJ Chark, De'Ami Brown. Don't sleep on De'Ami Brown. Kid could have a good year. Gibson, Drew Brees, Warner, Tua, first Tua sighting, Jabril Cox, Racey McMath, and Jalen Phillips. Have we hit a big waddle yet? I know we hit a nice Devonta Smith. I don't know if we've hit a big waddle yet. Let's see what we got there. We hit a big waddle yesterday. Or no, Friday. We hit a big waddle Friday. I think that was Justin that hit the waddle. I know he was happy. I think raw that card was like 120 to 150. I mean, we've got a lot of fire up here, so I mean, it's not like we're just pulling ass, but here we go. Keep rocking. Mark Andrews, Adams, Derek Brown, Steve Young, Warren Moon, Old School, Nick Chubb. Ooh, Lions, Barry Sanders, silver. The true. Nice Barry Sanders. Marino, A.J. Brown, orange, Tom Brady MVPs, Peyton Manning, Herbert with the AFC. Chargers are hitting. Owusu Kormora. God, I wish the skins would pick him. Drew Brees, Chenault, Max Crosby, Mac Jones with maybe the worst print line I've ever seen in my entire life across that card. Like, not even joking. I don't know if you can see it up close, but it's like my daughter took her bike and just ran over the Mac Jones line. Sorry about that. Same thing with Jamin Davis. Oh, shit, the whole thing. Davis Mills, Chris Evans. Don't shoot the messenger. There we go. Jalen Darden. Right? I mean, that's like somebody just took a knife and sliced that bitch. Not it. I only cut the plastic. Good quality control there, Panini. Good quality control. Like when I'm going through them fast and I can see the print lines, you know that ain't good. I mean, a lot of the other cards we've hit have been really clean, at least just from like initial first glance. But that one, shit. Don't mark me down. Amari Cooper, Jones, Hawkinson, Gilmore, Fitzmagic, Sam Darnold. Oh, Storm Chasers, Jamar Chase. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Kyle Pitts on the green. Tom Brady. Landry. First Storm Chasers we pulled. Marino. Keenan Allen. Quiddy Pay. Noah Gray. Henry. Gainwell. Elliott. This is a little better Mac Jones. Jamin Davis. Davis Mills. Let's take a look at that Storm Chasers right there. There we go. Jamar Chase. That one will be going up. Herbert and Tom Brady. All right. Boxes have not disappointed. They have not disappointed. This one and 4 more to go. All right. Matt Ryan, Von Miller, Joe D. Lemire, Justin Fields, debut, Russell Wilson, another Jalen Darden, variation, that's 2. Ed Oliver with the silver. Jackson, Carr, Justin Fields with the debut, Russell Wilson, Joe Montana, 2-2. Little Riggins, Martin, Eckler, Minka, Elijah Moore, Dokes, and Nico Collins. There it is, right there. We do not disappoint. We pull it. That is some fire. I don't know if this has been our hottest break, but it's definitely up there. Especially for the Mosaic. Okay, 4 more to go. See how we end. The Phoenix box was dope. These hangers have been good. Okay. Koo, Barry Sanders, Edmonds, Trey Sermon, Michael Thomas, Elway, Texans, Andre Johnson, True Silver. Nice hit. Tomlinson, Bang. Onto the orange, Jeremy Chin, DeForest Buckner, Nick Chubb, orange Davis Mills for the Texans, Brady, base, Curse, Galladay. Nice hit there, Javonte Williams, Sam Ellinger, Josh Palmer, and Trey McKitty. You're literally buying Davis Mills cheap. Turned out to be one of the top 3 quarterbacks in the class. We'll see. They give him some weapons, some protection. I don't know if Lovie Smith's the right coach, but I guess that's neither here. My guess is he was cheap. Wanted back in the NFL as a coach. Take on the dumpster fire that is the Texans, but Davis Mills is a nice piece. I got some good draft picks. Draft is Thursday. We'll be watching the draft. Garrett, Julio Jones, Goff, Brown, Blake Martinez. There we go. Kyle Pitts, Falcons, variation. Nice hit, Atlanta. Plaxico Green, Kelsey, Josh Jacobs, Bang, Winovich, Rigo, Curtis Martin, Panthers, Terrence Marshall, Tillman base, Rice, Crowder, Farley, Schwartz, Amari Rogers, and Greg Newsom. Not bad hit right there. Not a bad hit. Base, another Darden, Fields, nice green with the pits. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. As a breaker, I like the hangers because it's 1 pack. 1 pack, we fire through it. The blasters, you're opening, multiple packs. Half of them don't have shit in them. These, 1 and go. Julio Jones, Goff, Diggs, Buckner, Chubb, Hopkins, Plummer, green Marquez Stevenson for the Bills. Bills have been looking good tonight, especially with that Allen. Jefferson, Will to win. Oh, Trevor Lawrence orange, NFL debut. Nice hit right there. Dak Prescott, Montana. Dwayne Eskridge, we were just talking about him earlier. Kurt Warner, Russell Wilson, Diggs, Dio, Williams, Ellinger. All right. Nice hit there with the Lawrence. Yeah, hangers always hit good. Pitts on the variation. Yeah, and then we did the mega box break. We had 4 case hits in 10 boxes, or 4 case hits in 9 boxes. I can't remember what it was. Then we went through like 18 boxes or something, 14 boxes, something like that, and didn't have a single case hit. So we stopped putting up the megas, but I mean, you can go back to the hangers and I mean, just hit just constant fire, time in and time out. All right, last pack. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Kuechly, Mari Cooper, Jones, Hockenson, Mayfield, Devonta Smith, Goff, Oweh, Silver, Rogers, Mahomes, will to win. Into the orange, Queen, Donald Driver, Robbie Anderson, Camp for the Dolphins, Russell Wilson, Harrison, Tannehill, Ojulari, Etienne base, and Rashawn Slater. All right. We blew through that one. There's the Lawrence. There we go. All right, let's stack these up and let's go over the hits. Did not disappoint tonight. Let's review them again. The big ones, obviously they are sleeved and top loaded. The rookie colors, rookie prisms, regular prisms, all going to be sleeved at least. All right. Mahomes, Evans, Chase with the variation, Kyler Murray, number to 125. Jerry Rice, number to 149. Nice Austin Eckler, number to 75. Davis, 250. Hopkins to 250. Goff to 99. Trevor Lawrence, debut. Pitts, variation. Pitts green. Fields debut. Darden variation. Davis Mills. Base Mac Jones. Herbert to the AFC. Brady. Another variation of the Darden. Herbert. Devonta Smith. Nice little Smith. Parsons variation. Brady with the Bucks. Jamar Chase. Base. Brady. Mac Jones. Silver variation. Jamin Davis. Silver variation. Joe Burrow. Will to win green. Javonte Williams. Orange. Oweh. Silver. Not a variation. Pitts. Debut. Mahomes. MVP AFC. Fields. Genesis of Brunel. Nice card. Trey Lance. Mahomes. Terry Mack. Scary Terry. That's a nice thick patch card right there. Samuel. Storm Chasers. Jamar Chase. Green. Mac Jones. Josh Allen. Number to 150. Variation of Lawrence. Rookie Rising. Zach Wilson. Trevor Lawrence. Number to 199. Quincy Roche. Steelers are hitting. Fitzmagic. Genesis. And the Trey Lance. Dual patch auto. Guys, fantastic break tonight. Cards will be shipped out Monday, Tuesday. Obviously, if you're buying them off of eBay, you'll see the tracking pop up. If you got them off of Facebook, I'll be sending you the tracking as always. Definitely appreciate everybody jumping in. Make sure that you're in this group. We'll have deals, we have promos, we have discounts. Like I said, we do fantasy football, and we do a lot of things. It's a nice little community that we're building. So, like I said, definitely appreciate you guys hopping in. Awesome break tonight. Be safe. Have a good week. And we'll hit you up later in the week.